What's up guys, welcome to the video. Super excited for this one today. Nicole and I are at the shop right now, just about to wash the car, and we got wheels and tires. If you're anything like me, you know that wheels and tires make a car look so good. A little earlier than we were expecting. We found out these ones are bent, so we figured, well, let's just get the wheels now and do some tires on it anyway. These are the wheels that came on it. Not that great. Two of them are bent. We didn't even try the other ones. We saw two are bent, so we said, screw it. We're doing four wheels. Nicole and I are just gonna wash the car real quick right now. Before we get it in the shop, we're gonna do alignment on it as well, even though we need to do coilovers and stuff later. That'll be in future episodes, stay tuned for those. But doing the wheels and tires, because we're putting brand new tires on it, we wanna do an alignment just to make sure everything's good and fresh for now. And then once we do the coilovers and other things later, we'll have to do an alignment again. So it is what it is, but let's go wash it right now and then get inside the shop and start doing some work. Okay, this is what we got. Might have been dropped it. The logo. Boom, 1552s. Beauty. Got these. I'm gonna put this back in here for a second. Whoa. And Falcon tires. Fat boys. So we sized these up with the ones that are on it right now, and they are noticeably thicker. So we're kind of nervous. We went on Fitment Industry. Most of you guys have probably heard of it. If you haven't though, we got all these specs from other people's builds. So other people have legacies. We went, they have galleries, so if you take pictures of them, the more information they put in, they can put the tire size, the wheels they got, all that type of stuff. And then we just went and matched it all. So should fit our car, but we're gonna trial and error and let you guys know how it goes. But the real backstory of why we are doing this is the guy we bought the car from wore the tires out on it, and they are terribly uneven. He also bent the wheels, and because of that, because it's an all-wheel drive car, specifically a Subaru, they have a center diff in them. So a center diff allows the power to go front and back. What ends up happening is because everything's rotating at different ratios because things are worn out, he actually ruined that center diff. So we're doing this, then we're gonna have that center diff come in a few days. We're gonna put that in. We wanna do these before we put that in, because if we do it with those current tires on it, we'll just ruin the new one. So if you have an all-wheel drive car, you have to put 4 tires on. So we're doing a full set of everything, and then we'll be mint, good to go.
So good.
I'd like it to be a little more fun, a little bit of poking and angle.
Guess we're just gonna have to wide body it. Ooh.
That poke is a little funny. The fronts are, but once you do coilovers, it'll drop, because when you drop it, the suspension wants to go. Almost worked out just perfect. We put the coilovers on. It's all part of the plan, guys. Looks good though. So good. They need to be cleaned up. And we have a little bit of a gappage problem here, but whatevs. Alright guys, it's finished. This is what it looks like, nice and cleaned up. It is riding like a monster truck for sure in the front, we get that. It is what it is. What do we got? 2 finger in the rear. Little finger. 3.5 in the front. That's a monster truck, but you know what? That just means another project for another day. Appreciate you checking out the video. Stay tuned for all the future upgrades, because you can see we got a lot more work to do to it, and it's gonna be a really fun project. And I appreciate you guys coming for this journey so far. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and